Good morning, my friends. Firstly, I want to apologize for my absence. My wife was in hospital and I had to do a lot of travel in the first place. In the second place, I have to do all the chores at home. And it will be like that for the next couple of weeks. But I did not come so far to start it because I want you to look very close to the threads that you see here. Can you see there's a couple of threads visible on the rockers? And now look at this picture that I will show to you now. Okay, could you see that? Now what I expect is, or what actually the problem is, you remember I talked about that two little cups that I had forgot and I put it in from this side. So that tell me they did not sit in their positions. It dropped right through to the crankcase, or it sits somewhere here in the block. So I will have to fish them out. So I'm going to remove everything here again, plus that plate there, so that I can see that passage better to insert it. And hopefully I can get it, because I already put some oil in, so I have to drain that so that I can fish it out if it is in the block. So luckily we don't start it. So I'm going to remove this everything and then I'll show you. I'm removing the studs now so that this plate can come out of the way, because I had to work through that holes. Okay guys, see how lucky I am. There's the two cups that I talk about. And I took this plate off as I showed you, and you will see. Let me just put the flash on. Okay guys, can you see in there? There's the place where the cup must go in, and there, and I found this too on the platform there in the center of the screen. I fish it out with a screwdriver that is magnetic, and there I drop it. But it's in my garage. I believe, trust me. Okay, my friends, let me bring you back again. Okay, guys, I'm now happy. They are in it's grease that you see there. So I hold it with grease on the tip of the rods. So okay, let me put everything back together and bring you back. Okay guys, that's more like it. It's now top dead center, and you can see that screw thread is not there anymore. So let me set the valve gaps. Okay guys, valves are set again. So it look loose, but it isn't. It is correct. Let me put the cover back and go for a startup eventually. Right, my friends, I'm ready for a startup. Eventually. Okay, I'm going to take it out, and I'm not gonna start it with any or help it with quick start or anything. I'm also not gonna put it on choke. Just pull it a couple of times so that everything can settle, and listen to how the engine sound. And then I will put it on choke, and if it's necessary, help it a little bit on with carburetor cleaner. But it will be what it's be. Let's go out and give it a startup. Okay guys, let's go. I put it on choke. Let's go full house. I'm going to put a little bit of carburetor cleaner in because that oil is very thick that I put in. Just a moment. Okay, let's try. Let's try again. So far so good. No smoke so far. Okay guys, it run about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, no smoke. But I will give it time to run a bit, nice and hot, and then I will readjust the valves. Okay guys, it seems if it's fine. I think we win it. If it want to smoke, it must by now smoked. So I think it was a head gasket. So and a little thicker oil, or much thicker oil. Every bit count. But yes, I think it was a success. So I will tune it again a little bit and report back on how the progress is with it. Okay my friends, see you on the next video and bye bye.